Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Wednesday, November 26th. A cruise passenger wanted in the U.S. was arrested last week after his ship docked in the Philippines. Authorities at the port of Carimo in the northern Philippines detained 54-year-old Sao Chin Hao, a Taiwanese national who was flagged during routine immigration checks aboard the Star Navigator. Hao was the subject of an outstanding U.S. warrant, though details of the charges have not been disclosed. Philippine immigration officials say that the arrest is part of ongoing efforts to keep fugitives from using the Philippines as a safe haven. Hao's extradition status remains unclear. And guests aboard the MSC Meraviglia are facing itinerary changes on their upcoming Bahamas cruise due to scheduled maintenance. MSC Cruises says the ship's cruising speed will be reduced, shortening the December 2nd stop at Port Canaveral and canceling all those shore excursions. The December 3rd visit to Ocean Key, well, that'll be extended to compensate. The ship, sailing from New York on November 30th, has dealt with similar propulsion issues all year long. And Princess Cruises' Discovery Princess has wrapped up a 2-week dry dock in Singapore, completing maintenance and guest area upgrades just ahead of its Australian deployment. After departing the shipyard last week, the ship will spend the season sailing out of Sydney, doing winter cruises around Australia, New Zealand, and the South Pacific. And cruise stocks were up on Wednesday. Carnival Corporation up 3.9%, 25.72. Royal Caribbean up 4%, 266.52. Norwegian up 5%, 18.35. And Viking up 6.5, 67.88. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. tips@cruiseradio.net. And have yourself a happy Thanksgiving. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Take care.